A large part of council revenue comes from locally sourced funding such as council tax and business rates. It's a complex system, but vital for financing local services. The Valuation Office Agency determines the property valuations which are used in setting council tax and business rates. Council tax valuations are set at 1991 levels, while business rate valuations are reviewed at regular intervals, decided by central government. Council tax is levied on residential properties, which are grouped into valuation bands from A to H. A local authority's basic rate of council tax must be agreed by the 11th of March each year, with full council approval required. All council tax revenue is retained locally. Since the 2011 Localism Act, authorities cannot raise council tax beyond the government's set thresholds without holding a public referendum. There are exemptions and discounts for some council taxpayers, such as single occupants, students, and those on low incomes. Some council tax schemes are set nationally, while others are decided locally. The proportion of overall revenue raised from council tax varies from one local authority to another, partly depending on the makeup of properties in a local area. Bodies who don't collect their council tax revenue directly are referred to as precepting authorities. Authorities who collect council tax on behalf of themselves and for the precepting authorities are referred to as billing authorities. These include district, metropolitan, and unitary councils. Business rates are the other major source of locally collected revenue. They apply to commercial properties, with the rate set centrally by government as a multiplier applied to properties' rateable value. Some properties, such as charities or small businesses, qualify for reliefs. Some relief schemes are set nationally, while others are agreed locally. In most areas, half of business rate revenue is retained locally, with the other half passing to central government for redistribution through grants. However, due to variations in relative resources and needs between authorities, a mechanism of tariffs and top-ups is then applied by central government to redistribute the local share of business rates across councils to make the system fairer. Under the Business Rates Retention Scheme introduced in 2013, councils are also allowed to retain a proportion of any new income above an agreed baseline. To watch more, visit local.gov.uk/Finance Unpacked.